Put your back just like that. Y'all, I don't even know what's playing. Forgive me if y'all can hear the music or whatever. Stomach ache. I'm detoxing and I had a little break earlier, so the thought came to go get a salad. But when I went to go get a salad, I was like, let me go and get a sub. Surely I can handle a sub with some wheat bread, and it kind of made me feel bad. So I'm kind of getting over that. But other than that, it's a good day. It is a good day, y'all. I know that was probably TMI for some of y'all because y'all know what detoxing means. But, hey, it's a part of life. Sometimes you got to detox people. But I didn't come on here for that. Don't act like y'all don't like that word. Some of y'all need to hear that word. Detox, declutter, debunk, detour. You ever heard of a detour? Hey, Jacqueline. What's up, Veronica? Miss Veronica, you doing hair? Hey, Miss Shay. Hey, Deborah. I'm going to leave y'all alone. I'm going to drink my water. I believe that's what's making me feel better, the water. Hey, Lakeisha. I wish this was touchscreen. For those of you tuning in, I'm JoJo, aka Styles by JoJo, located in Jacksonville, Florida. Y'all are interested in booking an appointment? Make sure y'all DM me. My point of contact is in my bio. I'm looking for a clip. I got 1,000 of them in the drawer. I thought I had pulled some out. You can DM me, send a text message. Do not call. Please do not call. Only text, y'all. Hey, Picola. Hey, Miss Shay. I just knew I shot my flat irons on something. I always do it. It's okay. I'm gonna comb it out. Hey, Tanya. What's up, Deborah? This press out. Her body going. I love your styles. I love you back, Stephanie. Thank you for loving my styles, love. Let it sit all the way up. But all right, all right. Step